Alright, so for my Explain Everything, I decided to do the Eccrine Sweat Map. And there's me over there in the background. So, the first step of the slab, so that the palm of your hand was nice and clean. So there is the palm of my hand. And then of this betadine iodine solution, and I placed it upon a cotton ball. And then I rubbed all of the iodine solution all over the palm of my hand so that it was like nice and covered, and there was like a good even amount all over my hand. Because that is important for the accuracy of like this lab, to make sure that it's like nice and even. So then I taped the 5x5 millimeter square of paper. Look, I can do this. 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. And I waited about 10 minutes for that to, like, soak in and do its thing. And then after that, I peeled it off and I examined my resulting Eccrine Sweat Gland map. So, how exactly did this happen? So essentially the sweat from your eccrine glands reacts with the iodine and starches in the paper, so that wherever the sweat was being released off of the palm of your hand through your pores, like it shows up on the paper. So you can see that there's some spots like right over here and right over here where I have a lot more sweat glands, and there's other spots like right over here and right over here where I have a lot of less sweat glands. So that correlates to the thickness of your skin. So I can tell that like this area right here, when I look on my hand to where that corresponds to, that's actually a spot where I used to have a callus on my hand. And I can feel that my skin is a lot thicker there. So this lab just really gives you a great visual of like where the sweat glands on your hand are located, as well as kind of proving that fact that thicker skin contains more sweat. So yeah, I'm going to quote Bozeman and say, I hope that, this is hard to write on, was helpful.